there, this is Teacher Kath and welcome to my channel. Okay, so this is part 2 of the discussion on converting units of measurements, and part 2 will focus on the conversion process which involves English units. Okay, so let's have other examples under this discussion. Alright, so what we have here is 5 feet and we need to convert that to inches. How long is that in inches? So first you have to write the given, that's 5 feet, and multiply that with the correct conversion factor bearing feet, making sure that feet will be, for your conversion factor, your feet will be your denominator so that we can cancel that. Now let's look at our chart or list. So we have for length, inch. 1 foot is 12 inches. Okay, I hope you see that. So 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So this is what we are given and this is what we need to convert it to. So that's the only conversion factor we need. Now we can cancel the feet and then we multiply the numerator and the whole number. 5 times 12 will give you 60. So divide it by 1, the same. So your 5 feet is actually 60 inches. Alright, okay, so what if we have 50 kilograms, and that's metric, but you need to convert that to pounds, which is an English unit of measurement. So 50 kilograms to pound, LB. Again, you write the given, which is 50 kilograms, multiply that with the right conversion factor, making sure that your denominator is kilogram. So let's look at our chart, and we have 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. Alright, so we have the kilogram, which is the given, and the pound, which is what we're looking for. So cancel, and then we will multiply 50 and 2.2. So this is equal to 50 times 2.2 is equal to 110 pounds. Okay. Write that correctly. That's 110. Alright, so your 50 kilograms is 110. Okay, next example. So here we have 5 pounds. Needed to convert that into ounces. So again, let's check our chart or our list. We have here 1 pound is 16 ounces. Okay, so first we write our given, 5 pounds. Multiply that with the right conversion factor, making sure that our denominator bears the given unit. So 1 pound is 16 ounces. Alright, so we have to cancel pounds, and what we are left with is the whole number and the numerator 16. So 5 times 16 is equal to 80. Alright, so that means your 5 pounds is equal to 80 ounces. Alright, more examples. Okay, next example will be for the liquid volume. What if we have 2 gallons? And how much is that in terms of cups? Okay, so of course, we make sure we have that in our list or chart. So, gallon. There, this is going to be a long conversion because we don't have a gallon immediately equal to cups. So we'll start off with the given 2 gallons, multiply that with a conversion factor. We only have 1 gallon to quarts and 1 gallon to liters, so we won't be needing the liters. We will move on to quarts. 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts, And since quarts is not yet cup, we need another conversion factor for that, wherein we have the quarts as the denominator. So let's look at, okay, here. So 1 quart is equal to 2 pints. 2 pints. And we still are not yet done. So 1 pint for the last conversion, that is 2 cups, finally. So finally we have from the given gallons and what we need cups. So this is going to be long because it depends on what conversion factors we need to completely convert this value. Okay, so based on our list, 1 gallon is 4 quarts, 1 quart is 2 pints, and 1 pint is 2 cups. So take note, since we need to make sure that we won't be having the rest of these units in our final answer, if the given is gallons, the denominator should be gallons. If the numerator is quarts, so make sure that the denominator for the next conversion factor is quarts. If the numerator is pints, we make sure that the denominator for the next conversion factor is pints. Alright, so let's start with a cancellation. So we can cancel gallon, we can cancel the quarts, we can cancel the pints. So we're left with cups, which is what we're looking for. And 1 times 1 times 1 as your denominator will just be 1. So let's just focus on this whole number and the numerators, the product of all this. So 2 times 4 is 8, times 2 16, times 2 is 32. Again, 2 times 4 is 8, times 2 16, times 2 32. 2 gallons is 32 cups. Okay. Now what if we have to convert 3 days to minutes? Alright, well, we need to have the list in our chart, okay, in our index card, okay. So we know that 1 day is 24 hours, 1 hour is 60 minutes, and 1 minute is 60 seconds. So we only need to use what we have, okay, based on our given. We need days, making sure that it is in our denominator first. So 1 day is 24 hours. So we need minutes, so we are not yet done. Making sure that hour is here, so 1 hour is 60 minutes. So since we already have minutes, we stop. These are our conversion factors. And we now may start with the cancellation. Days, hours can also be cancelled. And then proceed to multiplication and division. Well, if your denominator is 1, you just have to focus on the multiplication process of the whole number and these numerators. Okay, so let's start. 3 times 24 is 72, and 72 times 60 is equal to 4,320. Yes, so 3 days is equal to 4,320 minutes. Alright, and let's move on to the conversion of temperature. Okay. Now for temperatures, it's somehow different because we have a formula instead of a conversion factor. So if our given is 100 degrees Celsius, how much is that in degrees Fahrenheit? So we will follow the formula to get our degrees in, or to get the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. The formula is 9/5 times degrees Celsius, the given temperature in degrees Celsius. So we may replace that with 100 plus 32. So we just follow the formula. This 100 is our given temperature in degrees Celsius. So your temperature in degrees Fahrenheit is 9/5 times 100. can actually cancel 5 and 100, giving you 20. And 20 times 9 is 180. Then we copy plus 32. And to complete your temperature in degrees Fahrenheit, 180 plus 32 will give you 212 as your final answer. So, your 100 degrees Celsius is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, and if the given is in degrees Fahrenheit, like 59 degrees Fahrenheit, how much is that temperature in degrees Celsius? We follow the formula given to find the temperature in degrees Celsius. So that is 5 over 9 times your given temperature in degrees Fahrenheit minus 32. So of course the given is 59. Okay, so that's 59. We'll perform that operation starting with the ones inside the grouping symbol. So we'll start with 59 minus 32. So that is 59 minus 32 is 27. Right. And we can actually cancel 9 and 27. That will give you 3. And 5 times 3, that is 15. Okay, so that means 59 degrees Fahrenheit is 15 degrees Celsius. So that's it for the conversion or converting units of measurement, whether it's in metric or if you're dealing with the English units. You just have to make sure you have your conversion factors with you. It should be handy. You may write it in your index card so that it would be easy for you to do the process. Okay, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this video. And don't forget to please subscribe to my channel.